Traditionally, a project is only set up once an order has been received. Now is the time to raise the bar. We have learned that the amount of work spent on sales is also part of the project, and the cost of sales reduces the profitability of the project. Although everyone knows this, companies are not able to measure it. Measurement is only possible if the project is launched at the same moment as the sales potential is identified. In this way, any project can be divided into 2 steps. Step 1, setting up the deal, i.e., making promises to the customer. Step 2, implementation, i.e., redeeming the promises made. The aim of the second step must, of course, be to exceed the customer's expectations. This is the surest way to guarantee that the customer will return to us with new orders. To deliver on promises and exceed expectations, information must flow seamlessly from sales to production. All information must be transparent and traceable. All such features are built into BSM. Would you like to know more? Get in touch with us. We'd love to tell you more.